Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am HD Signatures. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. So if you are just seeing me for the first time, I am HD Signatures. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a time-saving makeup routine for busy mom. So if you want a makeup routine that is efficient and effective, that will make you look well put together without taking up too much of your busy morning, here is a simplified everyday makeup routine for working moms that you can follow. Bye guys. Something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can give. So place your makeup products that you're going to be needing in your early morning makeup routine. Place it in a way that you can easily pick them in order of application. So if you usually start with your skincare, you place your skincare in a way that you can reach it easily. Then afterwards, whatever come next for you to your preference, then you know that's what you're reaching out to next after the skincare. So that's how you want to place them down. That way it will be faster and it will be efficient for you. Let's jump right into it. So the first step is to start with a clean face. This is what you hear from every makeup guru, makeup artist, beauty content creator, and that is what I am also going to be starting with. A clean canvas is what you want to start with. So make sure your face is well cleansed, and then after that you want to apply your moisturizer. Now this is where the old time saving starts from. Your moisturizer, your sunscreen, because you're going to be going out, your foundation. So instead of applying this one after the other, incorporate all of these products into one another by mixing your skincare product into your foundation. So that way you're having a tinted moisturizer that is made by you. And that helps you to save time from applying this product separately. So in today's video, I am going to be using my tinted moisturizer. This is what I made by myself. I'm going to be inserting a video. Also, I have like two shades here. I have one which is my perfect foundation shade, and this one is going to be what will give me a warmth on my face. So the excess of using a tinted moisturizer is it makes the work and the job really fast without you having to worry about applying them separately. You can basically go ahead and apply them with your fingers or a beauty sponge. Using a finger is a lot better because the warmth in your skin will melt the product really well. Don't forget to bring it down your neck. I'm going to quickly put this out there. The time I'm using to create this tutorial for you all might be different from the time you will spend when you're doing it on your own, because this is a tutorial and I will need to take my time to explain to you why I'm using a particular product and why I'm incorporating a particular technique. So when you take this tutorial and you want to do it on yourself, it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. This is the darker one. This is going to add warmth. So this is like you are applying a moisturizer with a tint of color in it. The same way you allow your moisturizer, your skincare product to settle into your skin before going ahead to apply your foundation. That's the same way you need to allow this to settle. While this is settling into your skin, instead of waiting for it to get settled down into your skin, you need to go ahead and work on your brows. So when working on your brows, you will need a tinted brow gel. In this video, I am going to be using a tinted brow tamer to put my brows in place and to also add a bit of color to my brows. So I'm going to be leaving products on the screen. These are Nigerian made products. Some of them are products that I DIYed myself. So for a product that you can get, check my description box. I collated some product that work as good as the ones I'm using here for any skin type, any skin color, and for all age groups. And if you have anything to fill out, you want to get a brow pencil, that has a dual design in it. One side the product and the other side is full. I'm going to use this to extend the tail of this brow, not so much. Now that this is done, the next step for me is to use a concealer. I'm going to use a concealer on the part that my spots are showing through, because tinted moisturizer are not made to cover up your spots. If you are looking for a foundation that has skincare infused in it, you might want to get a BB cream. A BB cream has more coverage than a tinted moisturizer. A tinted moisturizer is basically a moisturizer that has a tint of color. So for my concealer, I am using Milani Concealer Conceal Plus Perfect. This is my perfect concealer, and I love to use it to conceal my spots. You can see it covers it really well. So this way I don't have to use too much product on my skin, most especially if I want to go for a no makeup look. So I'm going to place them on the spot and wait for them to get tacky a little bit. Then once they get tacky, I'm going to go around it and blend with my finger. So like, you don't have to go through this if you don't have any spots. So just presume this is out of the routine that you're going to be doing in the morning. So guys, I think I covered a large portion of this spot. So the next step is to conceal your under eyes in case you have any dark circle, any blemishes, or any redness or whatsoever going on under your eyes. When you're concealing your blemishes, don't go ahead with the wand from the concealer directly under your eyes. What you should do instead is to take a damp beauty sponge. Make sure you place out the concealer at the back of your hand, then pick the concealer from there. Looking at my under eyes, this side there looks nice and it looks really awake as opposed to this side of my eyes, and it doesn't even look like I'm wearing so much. Don't forget to apply the concealer on your eyelid. For my blush, we look all flat now. You need to apply blush to add color in order to save time while working efficiently. We're going to be making use of a lipstick. This lipstick is creamy, so it can serve as a cream blusher and it can also serve as a lipstick. And you want to work monochromatically when you're trying to save time. You want to use colors that are in the same family, colors that can easily give that uniform look. So I'm going to be using this one here. So once I place that at the back of my hand, I'm going to blend it out really well just to heat it up. Then I'll be going with my beauty sponge and place that on my cheek. I'm just going to run this through my cheek. This is going to bring nice warmth to the face without looking like you added so much. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be using a translucent setting powder. You want to use a translucent setting powder that will not add color to your under eyes and also will not put so much texture under your eyes. So guys, see, so this is what we are aiming for. So for someone who has a dry skin, you might want to leave the rest of your face like this without using a powder on your face if you have like extreme dry skin. But for someone who has oily skin or you have a combination skin, take the setting powder with the beauty puff, go around your nose, the areas you normally oil, go around your mouth and set the place down. So you can see I'm not picking up any products. I'm just using what I have left on my beauty puff to set the. So guys, for our eyelid, so if you like to wear like really soft eyeshadow, you're somebody that likes to wear really soft eyeshadow, when you're applying your concealer, you notice I said extend the concealer to your lid. When you extend the concealer to your lid, set it down with the setting. So when you set down your lid with the setting powder, that will give your lid a color to it. Then you go ahead and define your crease. So what you need to do in this part is to get a bronzer. the bronzer, your powder bronzer that is like maybe one shade darker than your actual shade, and place that in your crease area. Just run your brush through it just to add dimension in that part, like so. And the next part is to tight line. This is not the part where you want to do an eyeliner. If you have the time for it, fine, but if you don't have the time for it, you need to tight line just to give your lash base a volume when you put your mascara. So to tight line, I'm using this pencil from Paula. When you are tight lining, you're not putting in the rim, you're putting it underneath your lashes, more like you wiggle it in between your lashes. The next product is a mascara. Then the last but not the least, guys, is to use a lip. Through that of my lips. This look like you're using a lip balm. I'm going to use this nude lip gloss from Debbie Loster, and this is Rosette. I'm going to run my beauty sponge around my face in case there's any lines. This will help to blend them in. So guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys find it helpful. Remember, the goal of this beauty routine for working moms is to enhance your beauty and quickly dash out of the door, and can decide to adjust the products that I use in this video according to your preferences and your time constraints. So guys, the products you use in this video is going to be listed in the description box. Bye guys. Something, baby, I do it all the time.